Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to change the sound output device on Samsung TV. So first you have to go to the settings. We will be using a remote to go to the settings. Press this and then the settings will show up. On the second option we have currently selected as TV speaker. If you press the middle button of your remote, it will change to the connected devices. So we have an earbud which is S10. It is selected as sound output now. If we have other, like let's select sound receiver output, it will be here too. If you have any other devices, Bluetooth devices, it will show up here. So you just have to press the middle button of your remote to change the speaker. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.